Hi, I'm Iwa Mata, and I used to be an actress. Now I'm a content creator and TikTok shop. So when I decided to stop being an actress before to become a full-time mom, and then actually I am just very lucky to stumble upon TikTok. I think a huge transition also with me and my family because I've stopped working for like 10 years already, and the transition from being a full-time mom to being a creator is a bit hard pero kaya eh. Ang kagandahan with TikTok Shop, with this platform, it's in my own time. It's in my own face. And no one's pressuring me. Mas connected ako with this platform than what I used to have. When you see me do live at home, it's all me. I prepare the lights, I read the script, I read every detail, I read about the product, I really do my research before I do my live. Natutuwa ako na yung mga tao gets to get good deals from me live selling it. I'm just really trying to be myself. Basically, I try to be myself in front of the camera. If some of you would watch my TikTok live shop, parang nakikipagkwentuhan ako. Yung iba, ako personally, I do shopping online because it's more expensive outside. Going outside pa lang, pagtapak mo pa lang sa labas, ang mahal na. Gasolina mo, pagkain mo, pag nandun ka na, parking mo, lahat. Pero alam mo yun, nasa bahay ka, shipping ni madalas free pa. My TikTok shop journey was really masaya. Masaya siya kasi I really found a special place for me. I think I found a platform for me to be myself, or to be who I am. I've been at home. I love being a full-time mom, pero hindi pala masama to have your own life, to have your own passion, to do your passion, to do whatever you want to do. Yeah, so I'm really glad and happy to be here.